I'm Erin Guest. My husband Colby and I live in Bogota, Texas with our 2 teenage daughters. I'm a public school teacher. I've been teaching for 18 years. A couple of years ago, when the plant closed where my husband was working, we were forced to look for different insurance options for him and the girls. None of the options that we found were good options, and it was actually a teacher friend who referred me to Philadelphia American.
3 years ago, I lost my job at Luminant, and I had to go back to work for my parents at Industrial Tarps, which I own now.
As you know, teacher salaries aren't on par with other salaries around the country. And so to add my husband and my 2 daughters, it would actually be over $1,000 a month, and that just definitely was not an option for us. So since we made the switch to Philadelphia American, once we add it up, we have saved over $15,000 in premiums. So out of all the options, that was the absolute best choice for us. Of course, having great premiums is a plus, but once you get to see the benefits come through and work for you, you really see what you're paying for. So when our daughter injured her ACL, we were able to see how this insurance could work for us.
When I hurt my knee, I was playing my first game of my freshman season. During the 3rd quarter, I went down, hurt my knee pretty badly. We went to the hospital and figured out it was a torn ACL. I then realized I was going to have surgery.
One of the great things about Philadelphia American is that they gave us the power to choose whatever doctor we wanted to, and we had a great one. 30 minutes down the road, Dr. Elliott saw Anna from start to finish all the way through the end of the surgery.
The way the process worked, I got a hold of my agent. Him and his secretary did fantastic work. They helped us through the whole process, helped us through the doctors, the billing, all the way to the end. He was there. When all this was done, 100% was paid, and we had some left over.
Fellow Texas teachers, if you're relatively healthy, I highly recommend you check out Philadelphia American.
This insurance is not just for Texas teachers, it's for small business owners like myself. So if you're a healthy person, I would look into this insurance.